All right, so this is a little trade recap on what you call gold. Um, little trade recap. It's like a educational video. Those already learning how to trade with ICC or like trying to get better at it, whichever. So here, obviously, overall, we're in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend. Price kept on breaking lows, making lower highs, and all that stuff. Lower lower high, lower low, and then it's basic. Price action and market structure. If price breaks below a low, we'll definitely need a pullback to make the lower high, and then price to continue breaking lows. So, and the first thing we gotta do, I did on the daily, locate your buyers and your sellers. So this is kind of how I met the chart. So this is my level of buyers. This is my level of sellers. Some people will call this, let's say, support and resistance. So where is this thing? All right. So this is my support, resistance, or my level of buyers, the level of sellers. Why? Because when price got here, it pushed price up. So this is level of buyers here, and when price got here, pushed price all the way down. So strong level of sellers here. So this just to, see the trend of structure and everything. Now that I know what's going on, I only need to worry about what's going on right in this zone right here, right? So what happened? We had an indication. Well, ICC is basically we have an indication, a correction, a continuation. That continuation creates that indication, correction, continuation. Same thing going up. We have that indication, correction, continuation. That's how it works. So now price broke a lower low, telling us that it's still in a downtrend. Now we need that pullback to create the lower high to know that, yeah, price is truly in that downtrend so that we can continue with the trend and then go lower. So hop on to the 4. This is how the 4 look. This is how the 4 look. All right. So real focus on this. Let me just mark these. This is another level of strong buyers here and here. So why am I saying it's a strong level of buyers? Because we see when price sold all the way over here, we got this strong push up from here. Price rejected a little bit, showing this a strong level of buyers here. Same thing, price. That was a good level of sellers here. Price sold, came all the way here and pushed all the way up. That's a level of buyers here as well. So this would be my targets. Going over to the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for an entry now because we need the lower time frame to match up with the higher time frame. So there's the 1 hour. Wait, no, this is the 1 hour, not that one. So we see prices making higher levels of support or levels of buyers. And then, so right now, I need price. I need a price to give me an indication, a correction, and a continuation for the downside. I did miss the indication, which is good because that's not what I was looking for. So I came somewhere on the 15 where prices. This is a good level. We got another level right here. Higher levels of buyers. So we need because we're looking for a downtrend, we're looking for sales. The daily is bearish. The 4 hour look bullish because that's a correction. The correction is always the opposite of that. It goes the opposite trend of the main trend. I don't know how to say this one. But like if you're looking for sales, if price is bearish on the 4 hour, the pullback will obviously be bullish on the 1 hour. It's just how it works on the 15-minute time frame as well. So we need if you're looking for sales, like if the daily is bearish, the 4 hours is bearish, we need the lower time frame to be bearish as well. so we can join in, the time frame need to align. So I saw this level of buyers here as well. And when I came, price had already indicated. So I wanted the correction so I could join the continuation. I was thinking about getting an entry right here, but this didn't look right. So I went to the 5 minute and I saw this. This equal low right here. So I was like, maybe I should just wait to see if price is gonna go back in the zone and come back, or retest it and then come back. But surely if price came below this zone and didn't go all the way up, I would have entered that trade. People who trade using the 15 minute would have been able to trade using the 5 minute, would have been able to get somewhere around here, because the trend kind of changed from this side. Got the indication, correction, and continuation. So they would have gotten earlier entries to go below this zone, and then, all the way down. But me, that's how I came to see it. And then what happened here? I think price gave us one long candle. Yeah. So then I was kind of tired. I put my sell stop around the zone. If price were able to come below the zone, I would definitely take it. So it was kind of like here-ish. So I had a here-ish, and then, so I wanted to wait, and then price shot down like this. So that was my entry. I pushed this down a little bit to match when I heard the alert and the ping thing that the MT5 does. Yeah. And then here's my levels that I was looking for. So this will obviously be my first TP, and then second TP here. And like I said, hold on, this will make sense very soon. So once I get my entry in, I hop back to the 4. I don't want to see no messy stuff. So this was it. And then let price do its thing. Wait, no, I'm supposed to hit this. So this would have been first TP being hit, and then this will be second TP. So anybody could take in partial share. I just laid the thing right because I was trusting the thing. And then price gave me this right here. And so this was full TP hit right here. Yeah, this is full TP hit right here. So wait, no, not right here. This is first TP, second TP. So full TP hit right here. And then I was looking for another entry, which that one also hit TP recently. So that was below this level. So below this level on the 4-hour, we have that indication, correction. Now we need that continuation. I'm going to do another video on that one, because that one, I did get stopped at once. I had a re-entry before that worked. All right, so if you guys have any questions, let me know.